So, today we had a bad snowstorm, as you can see, blood. So I'm gonna show you. And now, I'm walking down this freaking hill, trying not to eat shit. What the fuck is that bitch doing? Oh my! Imagine just falling on that shit. Ooh, eek! Oh, dude, this tore my fucking yard up. And bad thing is I can't snowboard. You know why? Because it's stuff that's hitting. I'm not trying to ruin the snow. We just had a snowstorm, so look at this shit. Look at this for that. Jeez! Oh my god, I'm gonna drown. Jeez. Almost drowning in the snow. There's only a couple spots left with no snow. Yeah, as you can see, it's messed up. Doesn't surprise me though. Woohoo, my fun. Fuck you, snow. What the fuck is this? Oh, take it, bitch. Oh, the bird's nest. Thanks. I can tell deer or coyote. Only one to find out. Wait, that is actually deer. We found the problem. It was a deer. A deer caused this, apparently. I said so whatever I say goes. So I haven't posted in a while, just trying to get a job, trying to get my car license, trying to get my motorcycle license. Typical struggles of Dumber Mill. Oh my god, this is a struggle just by walking. I think something broke. I think that tree broke over there. We're gonna go over there and investigate. Whatever the cops use to investigate. Using our eyes. Yo, that tree's done. How many trees fell in the snowstorm? Probably a lot. It's been hours by making it. Oh, it's a bird. Die. Yeah. Storm here, that's pretty bad. I guess. I think. That tree's gone. Oh yeah, this tree's gone over here. Yep. Snowstorm struck again, guys. Oh, yep. Oh, so tragic, dude. It really is. This snowstorm and rainstorm is, dude, so tragic right now. Ow, fuck this. Oh, this is not working. Ah, it kind of did. That used to be, look at that. Damn, son. No, my favorite tree broke. Damn it. I just stepped right in a pickle. My god, Jesus. Yeah. There's no more using this trail for a while. Yeah. This trail is not going to be used for a while. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna do something that you should never ever do. Why do deer shit everywhere? Fucking deer. I'm gonna walk this way under these fallen tree branches. Hopefully not die. I probably am. If I die, at least give me 2 more subscribers or something for my death or something, Oh, in the face. Oh, in a nut. Oh. Fucking balls, damn it. Ow, in the face again. It's so tragic. I remember when this fucking used to be not here. But now it is. Congratulations, God, you won this one. Ow, in the fucking leg. And then trees are falling. That was so good. But that my favorite tree broke. Look at that. That was my favorite tree right there. Well, no, actually, I can't say much. This is my favorite tree. But still, very good trees. What's this? Is there any piss? Guys, I think I just spotted a fucking coyote track. What is that? That is a coyote track, 100%. There was a whole bunch of coyotes right here, guys. In the woods. This tree was never there, by the way. Oh my god, I just lost my shoe. No, Bamba, got my shoe back. Ow, on the ankles. Yeah, this used to be a trail right here. Got some coyote tracks. You know what I'm saying, guys? A whole bunch of them. Any trees fall over here that I know of? Not really. I wonder there. Man, this is just so sad, kind of. Like, now we gotta work on this trail all damn day and night. I like the song Day and Night. Yeah, it's coyote track. We toss the tune. Alright. Anything break over here we don't know of? No, but I do see a buck web. An old one, but oh god. I'm gonna die. Jesus, help me. So yeah, bad snowstorm, and then next day, fucking badass rainstorm. You see it's coming back. Probably gonna die today, but something. Oh, Judas. Definitely not doing anything illegal. You got some more dog tracks, it looks like. Yep. Coyote. Oh, what the fuck is that track? These are coyotes all through here. That's crazy. These are all coyotes, so, you know, what happened had to happen recently. Oh my god, I must have stolen, man. Well, and now I'm losing the feeling in my shoes, which ain't good. But anyway, that's what happens when New York, the Catskills hit a 2 storms in the same day. Well, not same day, same week. You're over here trying to. I just stepped in fucking shit. Not shit, I stepped in fucking water. Oh yeah, I'm feeling that, guys. Alright, guys. I'll turn off the camera so you guys don't have to see my death. But, thank you guys so much for watching. And peace.